Hey, what's up? My name's Samuel.
And I'm Amanda.
And today we've been chilling at the beach. This is like our favourite part of the world.
It really is. We
Certainly
love it here.
the UK. Where are we?
We're in Sandbanks.
Sandbanks Beach. So we're going to show you around our beautiful home. We're renting this place at the moment. £1 million home right next to the beach. We like it so much we almost bought somewhere here.
We did. We were house shopping around here.
Amanda wouldn't let us buy. What was the problem with buying houses around here?
Well, you've got the sea right here.
Which I love.
I know you love. Big flood risk though.
Yeah.
Like, so risky.
In fact, the councillor are trying to enforce all these beach houses to build a 27-foot seawall, which is just gonna kill the views,
I know.
kill the beach access. So we're not buying anywhere just yet. We're renting somewhere. Do you reckon they'll like the house?
Oh yeah, you're gonna love it. Keep watching.
3-minute walk. Let's take you round. Enjoy.
That's that one that got sold for $4.5 million, isn't it?
That's crazy. So basically, that house there just sold for 4.5 million. Clearly, they ain't buying the house.
No,
What
clearly
they're buying?
not. They're buying the location.
They're buying the
clearly.
land.
Yeah.
'Cause they're going to knock it down, probably spend 2-3 million building a massive mansion, and it's going to be worth stupid money. But here's the thing though, imagine if you bought that land, that's what it is,
Yeah.
land.
Yeah.
And then you have to build a 27-foot seawall. 27 foot, that's higher than the Great Wall of China. It is, it's higher.
It'll be like a prison. It'll be horrible.
Right, and then suddenly you've got no beach access. You've got the house we're about to show you, which is literally a 5-minute walk, is, well, you'll find out the prices, but
Yeah.
it makes way more sense.
Oh, definitely.
Crazy. This is the house.
Here we are.
Oh, I love this house.
It's so lovely.
You know what? The location, it's outside of flood risk. It's like home from home. It's very similar to our house.
It feels like Beaconsfield. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Really, really nice.
What we'll do is we'll have a quick look round the outside.
Yeah.
And then we'll go on in. This place is lit. If we bought this house, which is a possibility, we haven't told the current owner yet.
He doesn't know yet.
Right now we're just renting it. But if we bought this house, first thing I would do, what would I do first thing? What do you reckon?
Swimming pool right here.
Yes, right here,
I
man.
think
Swimming pool right here. And you can just feel the ocean breeze still, can't you?
I know, yeah. You
So
can hear the
nice.
seagulls. We're still so close to the
Yeah.
ocean.
So anyway, that's where you drive in. Nice entrance right there. You can walk around the entire house, which we also love.
Yes,
So
yeah.
let's go around the inside.
Come on in. Welcome to my crib.
We're renting this place right now, and we're paying like a nightly rate. Let's come on through and we'll talk to you about all the figures, how much everything costs. The great thing about not owning the property is you can just come in, you don't have to think about maintenance. Like the gate was broken, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And the landlord just fixed it, of course. But how much did it cost us to just fix our gate at home?
Oh my gosh, we've just paid just over £5,000 to have our gate rehung. So
Rehung?
Rehung, exactly.
Not even a new gate?
I know, not even a new
That's
gate,
just
so it's crazy. Yeah.
So anyway, do you like this? Do you like this area?
I absolutely love this. And this kind of marble worktop is actually what we're going to have in our new kitchen in Beaconsfield.
Yeah.
But I just love this area. Even though it's much smaller than our house, it still feels big and spacious and light and airy.
Yeah, it
and
does.
yeah, we just...
And I love the fact that you've got doors outside,
Yeah.
it's very accessible. You can literally, upstairs from the bedrooms, you can see the sea views, which is
Yeah.
amazing. So we pay per night to stay here. Well, currently in peak season, how much are we paying right now to stay here?
£500 a night.
£500. Now you may be thinking, why would we pay £500 to stay here when we've already got a home, which is really nice, in Beaconsfield? And the answer is...
Well, we want the ocean, we want to be on the beach.
Exactly! However, we're going to talk to you in a moment about how much this house is worth. It'd be interesting if you guys can guess how much it's worth. Because we were shocked, weren't we?
I know,
At
yeah.
the valuations, how much this was bought for, how much it's worth now, how much it's renting for. So, anyway, anything else downstairs you want to show?
I mean, the living room, really, really
course.
nice. I also love how they've got like all this backlights going on, like with all
Yeah,
of this.
like
It
all
just
this
makes,
stuff.
yeah, it just
Very
makes it
modern.
feel very,
Very modern.
really, really nice.
The colours are nice. I like
Yeah.
the yellow, the grey. It pops.
Yeah,
Incredible.
it's gorgeous.
And it's
really
quite private as well out here,
It
isn't
is,
it, really?
yeah.
Especially for Sandbanks, because some of the houses, even like the mansions worth like 10, 20 million, they're still kind of on top of each other.
Yeah.
Whereas this has got a bit of land around the side of it, which is really nice.
Exactly.
So, all right, so this house was last sold So the person that owns it now bought it for, do you remember?
Was it 962,000?
Almost.
Okay.
£962,500.
The £500.
Yeah, but that's less than £1 million.
Yeah, I know, it's crazy.
Absolutely crazy. So this was bought for less than £1 million in May 2017. Damn, we could have got it for less than $1 million. However, interestingly, you missed this.
Go on.
You missed this. This house was on the market for sale a few months back, but now the guy took it off.
Oh,
So the landlord put it for sale and took it off, and it was on for sale. Guide price of just 1.5 million.
No way. That's insane.
Sea views?
I know, it's insane because the houses on the beach are literally like
5, 6 million.
5, 6, 7.
I would probably
more.
rather live here. You still got sea views. Let's go upstairs. We'll show you the sea views. So we've got 4 bedrooms. They're all good sized bedrooms.
Yeah, they are all double.
One for each child and one for us.
Yeah.
So let's go to the master bedroom first with the sea views. So, this is it.
It's so nice and
It is.
airy.
It's big, isn't it?
With these Juliet.
It's very. And there is a TV. I was talking to you about that earlier. We've not watched the
I
TV,
bet
have we?
Yeah, no, we
Not
haven't.
even watched the TV.
Yeah.
Got
Too busy watching that view.
Sea views out here.
And
Now,
the sun's setting.
Mandy, you were saying to me that the sea views aren't proper sea views,
I
but
mean,
they are proper sea
yeah,
views.
they are, I guess. I guess I'm
Proper sea
thinking
views.
beach, but this is more like boat.
This is the
But it's
so
still
the great
nice.
thing about Sandbanks, you've got like we're on what's the road called?
Panorama Road.
Panorama Road. So you've got Panorama Road. This side of the road you've got the harbour, and this side of the road you've got the beach with the sea. So it's like you've got water everywhere.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, surrounded
amazing.
by water.
And everyone's so friendly around here, aren't they?
Yeah, they are. Always.
Yeah.
The bathroom in here is so nice.
Thing is though, imagine being sat down on the toilet and having a whole audience. The shower.
I know.
At least you've got a blind still.
Oh, totally. I can imagine you forgetting that. I would never forget.
I'd like sea views while on the toilet.
Yeah.
Sunset, beautiful, nice bathroom.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, really good. So this is the second room. You've got an ensuite once again. So really great for, bigger families or if you've got guests and stuff like that. Do you think would you want to live here as your main residence?
Not as my main.
Why?
Just because I think that it's nice to have a space for the kids. Like at home, we've got that massive playroom where they can just do whatever they want.
Yeah. What about the area? Would you live in Sandbanks?
Oh yeah, of course.
Would you?
Yeah.
Is it not a bit far away from stuff?
Well,
It's
you know,
about
you
2
can,
hours
Yeah,
from
but
where
you
we
can live here like some months of the year.
She
and
just
then
wants
move
lots
back.
of homes. That's what she wants. Lots of homes.
The
Right
best
next.
of both.
The rooms now get more and more underwhelming, smaller and smaller. Third room, fourth room, but the kids are getting changed in there, so I'll block this room. And that's it. It's not actually that big, is it?
No, it's not.
It looks a lot bigger from the outside.
Yeah, it does.
But it's modern, it's beautiful, it's next to the beach.
Yeah.
So the question is, 1.5 million, would you buy it?
Yes.
Would you? Do you not think there'd be better options around here?
I don't know, babe, because I think for 1.5, you're literally 5 minutes walk from the beach.
Yeah.
The beach property.
Do you want to message the landlord and make him an offer then?
Well, hey her, why not?
What do you think, guys? Comment below. What are your thoughts? Do you like the house? Do you think it's worth 1.5 million, or would you rather buy on the beach and pay 10 million and have a 27-metre wall outside and flood risk with no insurance? Let us know in the comments.